Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products that promise to make our lives easier, one application at a time. If you love a good eyeliner that can transition from sharp precision to a sultry, smudged look, this one's for you. Let's talk about the Iredale Mystikol Powdered Eyeliner in Smoky Quartz, a product that promises all-day staying power without the hassle. This eyeliner is a hybrid, part powder, part cream, and it works like magic for creating that effortlessly smoky eye. But how does it really hold up in real-life use? Let's break it down. First off, it's a water-resistant, crease-proof formula, so it's definitely geared for long wear. Whether you're running errands, working, or even heading out for a night on the town, this eyeliner promises to stay in place. The beauty of this product is its versatility. It can be applied as a sharp, defined line, or smudged out for a softer but more smoky effect. For a product like this, versatility is key, especially for those of us who don't want to carry multiple products in our bags. When it comes to texture, it feels rich and creamy as you apply it, yet it dries down to a powder finish. The fact that it doesn't feel greasy or heavy is a major plus. Nobody wants an eyeliner that feels like it's sliding all over the place. I used this during a long day, and by the end of it, my eye makeup still looked fresh. It didn't smudge or transfer, which I really appreciated. Now let's talk about the application process. It comes with a built-in brush, which makes it super easy to get that precise line or a more diffused, smoky look. I personally love how the brush works with the formula. It's not too stiff, and it gives you just enough control to draw either a bold line or a more laid-back, blended look. The Smoky Quartz shade is a beautiful neutral that works across various skin tones and makes a perfect everyday eyeliner. On the flip side, one slight downside is that it may take a bit of practice to master the transition from a defined line to a soft, smudged look. If you're looking for something that you can apply quickly without much finesse, you might find it a tad tricky. But once you get the hang of it, the product really does perform well, especially for more complex eye looks. When it comes to value, I would say that this eyeliner is well worth the price if you're looking for something that combines ease of use with longevity. At first glance, it might seem like a bit of a splurge, but considering the quality, versatility, and long wear, I do believe it's justified. It's a one-stop product for those who love a smoky eye but want to keep their makeup bag streamlined. For those on a budget, there are some alternatives that offer similar qualities, but they may lack the smooth application or longevity of the Mystikol eyeliner. If you're a die-hard fan of a sharp, precise look with the option for a smoky finish, this one is definitely a winner. The build quality is excellent as well. The product's packaging is sleek, and the brush is integrated into the cap, which keeps everything compact and easy to store. You don't have to worry about losing a separate applicator or brush, which is always a plus in my book. To wrap it up, if you're someone who's looking for an eyeliner that offers both precision and a softer, smudged look, Iredale Mystikol Powdered Eyeliner is definitely worth trying. It lives up to its claims of all-day wear and offers versatility that many other eyeliners can't match. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried this eyeliner, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And remember, you can find the link to purchase it in the comments or description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.